We have a brand new product admin experience. I'm gonna actually show you on my dashboard right now. So if you go over to Kajabi Labs, Settings, Labs, you can see product admin experience. You can go ahead and turn that on. And I've demoed some of this before, but since this has been in Labs, we've continued to improve more and more based on your guys' feedback, the workflow around this. And so I'm gonna jump over to my online course right here, and you can see we have a brand new admin UI around this that makes things a lot more snappy when adding content, when editing content, when searching for content, which is great. You can see we have a search over here, so if I wanted to search welcome, I can go straight to welcome to the course. I can edit it right in line, or I can tell them to highlight it in the list. So if you have a list of like 400 different posts, no longer do you have to scroll. You can just search for what you need and it'll take you right there. Here's one of my other favorite features though too. Let's say I'm right here and I've been scrolling a lot. I don't have a huge list right now, but let's say I have, oh, here we go. I can expand all of these and I'll scroll down over here and I'll click on wrapping things up. Now, a big kind of annoying problem that we've gotten feedback over the years about is when I jump into something like this and then I want to go back to my course outline, it will take me all the way back to the top. And then if I want to edit the next post, I have to scroll all the way down again. I'm sure some of you guys are probably laughing right now because you've experienced this. No more, that is not a problem anymore, because when I go back, it will take me right back to where I was. So I can go over to the next post, resources. As you can see, this experience is a lot snappier as well, because we wanted to make it really smooth and really snappy to be able to edit content, to save content, to back up, to add more content. You can see I could add a new post, and instead of it taking me over to a whole new page, it's just the post is right here. I can set a title for my post, Hello World, my favorite title, and that will create the post right there. And it will just highlight it. So I can now go edit it some more. And so if you're like outlining a course, this makes it so much more snappy because you're not taken from page to page to page. You can drag things around, you can create new things. It's a really good way to do an outline. And it also really streamlines the experience when you're going in and adding content. So I just wanted to highlight that. Like I said, this is in Kajabi Labs. You can have it in your account today. Just go over to Settings, Labs, and enable the product admin experience.